Okay, so I just had a huge fail. I was trying to do the Sunset Ocean pour and it did not work out. My white was way too thick. I mixed it and then I didn't check it before I poured. So I'm going to do something a little different. So I have my thin white. Hopefully, let's check it. So it's going right back in. Let's see. So that is good. It's going right back in. No mound, just going straight in. Hopefully you can see that. Okay? So, and I'm going to try and blow this out with the blow dryer. We'll see. It probably won't work for me, but I've done it a couple times, but sometimes it's just a bit messy. But we're going to try it and see what happens. Happy days. Okay, let's just get some over this here and here. Okay, that wasn't so bad. So now I just need to make sure this white is thin enough. I'm a mess right now, you guys, so just bear with me. So I'm going to use, I have my thin white base down. I'm going to do a double Dutch on this canvas. I'm going to do 2 puddles and then blow them out with a self-mixed red violet and Arteza Violet. This is medium yellow by Reeves. And then this is Arteza Gold. So I'm going to use those. First, I'm just making sure that this new white, because I'm out of white now, this is the last of it, is thin enough, okay? So to me, that's perfect. Goes right back in. Right back in. Okay, so boom, we have this done. That was nice. Nice thin layer. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 puddles. This is going to be a folly kind of, maybe. I'm going to do one here. I'm going to do one here. I'm going to blow them out and then blow them back out. Fingers crossed. So what I need to do is I need to turn this. I have a mess. I have to get a new setup because my husband is going to convert one of our sheds into a little studio for me. That's very kind of him, but I think it's more so for his sanity, so there's not paintings drying all over the place all the time. Although he's very supportive and he loves that I do this, so happy days. Okay, let's wipe my hands on my top. I am a mess. Okay, look at this. look at this. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with some yellow. You have to be careful with these colors because they muddy. You know what? I'm going to do this one at a time. Okay, before I did red violet first, I'm going to do violet first and then red violet. Okay, and our gold. Now, I'm going to blow this one out, and then I'm going to turn it and then do the other side, I think. Definitely. Let's get lots of white down. Get my blow dryer filled. Now, this is low heat, first setting, and then if you hear it get louder, it's the boost. If I feel the need to use it. Okay, we'll blow it out, don't worry. Maybe I should just blow it out first before we do the other one. I kind of want this going off the edge all over here, but we'll see. And now I'm not happy with that. Oh. Okay. All right, I'm going to see, you could, if you blow these colors too much, you will start to get mud. So I'm not going to do much. Maybe this, because there's lots there, but come around this way. Okay, lots of nice cells. A flower within a flower. A flower in a flower. Sure, why not? Okay, now I'm going to do a smaller puddle. Here. This one I'm going to do a lot smaller, so they're not the same size. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do a smaller puddle here. Maybe go off this way. Okay, so let's just do this real quick. Okay, now I'm going smaller. Let's go smaller. I'm going to do the red violet next. And then I'm going to do the violet. Just to kind of compare and see. I'm going to do a bit more violet. And then we're going to do the gold. Then we're going to do the white. See, this is a lot smaller. I wonder if that's... No, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. Always add maybe another one if needed, but I don't think so. I think this is grand. Ooh, those cells over there are popping. Okay. Debating. I don't like how I feel about that. No, I don't like how I feel about that. I should have done more. Okay. I just want the center to be, I want it to have more depth. So, again, we're gonna, I'm sorry, I just want it to have more depth in the middle, and I'm afraid if I add and then blow, it's gonna get muddy and it's gonna go into that one. So just real quick, you guys are probably gonna screaming at me, but when I have something in my head, I have to do it. No biggie. It's just paint, right? The last of my paint. To get more. That is so pretty. What I should have done is I should have just done it in the same order that I had done that one in. Now I have to make sure I have enough white left. See? I'll touch that up. Let's just do this. I hope I can get that same. Okay. So I went violet. Okay, and then gold. Now, more white. And then that's it. Okay, fill. Okay, I like this. That's what I wanted. I wanted that darkness in the middle. I like this. Look at that green in there.